Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Xubii Tech. I've got some amazing gadgets that will enhance your daily life, making it easier, cleaner, and more comfortable. Imagine shorts that let you charge your devices while you're on the move, or a super portable gadget that sterilizes any surface instantly. Plus, we've got a device that takes hand casting to a whole new level, making it look better than ever before. Introducing the JMGO Pro. The JMGO Pro is an impressive new projector featuring an incredibly short throw, allowing you to project an image up to 100 inches large from just 9 inches away. With autocorrection for focus and dual speakers designed by DIN Audio, these projectors offer exceptional image quality, supporting resolutions up to 1080p. The Pro model can project screen sizes up to 110 inches, while the 01 model projects up to 100 inches. With automatic image correction, you'll spend less time adjusting settings. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. Plus, each projector supports 4K video input, intelligently converting the signal to 1080 on the fly. The JMGO features built-in Alexa for easy settings adjustments and show discovery. With an LED bulb rated for at least 45,000 hours of playback and a contrast ratio of 6,000 to 1, the JMGO offers exceptional performance. Get your JMGO projector now for $699. Introducing the Easymaker. Hey there! Are you tired of the exhausting, tedious, and sometimes painful task of changing your bed sheets? If so, you're not alone. But guess what? The Easymaker is here to make your life easier. With the power of air, the Easymaker lifts your mattress effortlessly. Say goodbye to struggling and sweating as you try to lift that heavy mattress. With the Easymaker, all you need to do is attach the balloon under your mattress, pump it up, and voila! Your bed is lifted and ready for a fresh set of sheets. After changing the sheets, simply use the Easymaker remote to deflate your bed. You can even impress your friends and family by lifting your bed up and down like a magical bed wizard. Whether you're sleeping on a twin or a California king, the Easymaker won't break a sweat. Say hello to easier bedsheet changes with the Easymaker. Introducing the DUT Trans Steamer. Hold on to your mops, everyone, because the DUT Trans Steamer is here to revolutionize home cleaning. This fantastic cordless steam cleaner is like the superhero of cleaning, faster than a speeding mop and more powerful than a vacuum cleaner. It's designed to blow away dirt, bacteria, and bad odors with ease. Using the power of steam, it sanitizes surfaces in no time, leaving them sparkling clean. The steam acts like a luxurious sauna for germs and dirt, but for them, it's more like an agonizing death trap. The DUT Trans Steamer can easily switch from a base station to a handheld steamer, and it comes with a wide range of attachments for different cleaning tasks. Whether you need to clean floors, stovetops, or upholstery, there's a specialized attachment for every job. With its modular design, quick heat-up time, and versatile attachments, the DUT Trans Steamer is the life of any cleaning party. Say goodbye to tough stains and hello to a cleaner, fresher home. SKG F5 portable massagers are gaining immense popularity in the market. However, never before has a massager been so user-friendly, lightweight, and portable like the SKG F5. This incredible new massager can easily fit into almost any bag you own. While being rechargeable, it delivers powerful relief to help soothe the sore muscles, reducing the time needed for post-workout recovery. Equipped with easy-to-use buttons for turning it on/off or adjusting vibration intensity, the SKG F5 stands out by offering a pushing action that penetrates deep into your muscles rather than just surface-level vibrations. The massaging head's arm moves rapidly in and out, allowing for deep tissue penetration and an effective massage experience. Plus, after use, simply plug it in, and it'll be ready for your next session. You can even customize your massage experience by swapping out the massaging heads for harder or softer pressure as per your preference. Introducing Focusound. This innovative and revolutionary sound technology is unlike anything you've ever experienced before. Focusound delivers sound in a highly directed manner, similar to how a spotlight directs a beam of light. Instead of blasting your tunes for everyone to hear, you can keep the sound to yourself. Let's talk about the see-through screen. It's not just a sound source, it's a work of art. With its 360-degree immersive spatial experience, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action, whether you're watching a concert or gaming, all without the sweaty crowds and overpriced drinks. Focusound isn't just for music. It's perfect for home entertainment, work, gaming, and more. It's a stylish and elegant home decor piece that seamlessly blends into any environment. It's like having a piece of modern art in your living room that also plays your favorite tunes. So whether you're a music lover, gamer, or remote worker, Focusound is the perfect choice for you. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I've got something special for all you BMW enthusiasts out there, the XM Label Red, one of only 500 in the world and the first of its kind in Lebanon. Now, I know the design of the XM might not be everyone's cup of tea. It's pretty unconventional for BMW. But trust me, this one with its red accents and matte paint looks seriously aggressive, especially from the back. Let me walk you through what makes it stand out. Inside, you'll find top-notch leather upholstery and some plush cushions in the back. The ambient lighting adds a nice touch, and there's plenty of storage space in the doors for all your essentials. Under the hood, you'll find a beast of an engine, a 4.4 liters twin-turbo V8, pumping out 750 horsepower and a hopping 443 pounds of torque. It's paired with an electric powertrain, making for some serious power delivery. And don't worry, it still maintains its towing and carrying capacities. Inside the cabin, you'll find the familiar BMW interior with a sleek display and quick infotainment system. The new buttons allow you to switch between different driving modes, and the M logo reminds you that you're in something special. One of the coolest features is the roof, which lights up when you start the car, adding to the overall ambience. And speaking of ambience, the ambient lighting inside can be customized to your liking, with a range of colors to choose from. Overall, the XM Label Red is a head-turner with its bold design and powerful performance. It may not be everyone's cup of tea, but for those who appreciate something different, it's sure to impress. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Introducing the YX1. The YX1 is the ultimate all-terrain vehicle designed to meet all your needs. This electric board is built to take you anywhere you can imagine, with a wide wheelbase for stability and safety. It handles sharp turns and tough terrain with ease, thanks to its rugged tires that grip tightly onto mud, gravel, and grass. You can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour and travel up to 60 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to the powerful 1,500-watt electric motor. With 3 power modes to choose from, you'll always have the right gear for the job. Plus, you can swap out the battery for another one, so you never have to stop to charge. The coil suspension ensures a smooth and consistent ride, no matter where you're riding. Get your YX1 board for just $1,200. Experience the ultimate ride today.